Welcome to the P1 Series Extruder Filament Sensor Replacement Guide video. Remove the top cover of the printer. Remove the front cover fan. Press the black pressure block downward and pull out the PTFE tube. Disconnect the flat cable connector of the extruder filament sensor. Tear off the tape securing the flat cable. Use gentle force when tearing the tape to avoid breaking the flat cable. Use a 1.5 mm hex wrench to unscrew the two mounting screws. Gently pry the filament sensor loose with a screwdriver, then remove it from the tool head. During installation, note that the PCB must face the left side. Align with the two rows of pins and insert the connector into the corresponding port. Tighten the two mounting screws. Finally, use tape to secure the flat cable. Reinsert the PTFE tube into the PTFE connector. Reinstall the front cover fan assembly. Put the top cover of the printer back on.